Okay guys, we have some disappointing news with regards to our Hobie kayak track. iTrek 9. iTrek 9. It's because we found 3 holes in our first kayak and we're kind of troubleshooting the second kayak, and it appears that it does possibly have a hole as well. Now, what's a bit disappointing is we just got this kayak less than a year ago, most of which time I think we bought it last year in November, December, and it's been sitting, not being used until 2 months ago. So we've taken this kayak out possibly half a dozen times, and we noticed that one morning when we woke up, this first kayak was deflated, and we had just gone out the beginning of the day. And what's very strange is that we probably have gone out like a handful of times, and most of the time we've been bathing in this kayak since we bought it. Now it's essentially unusable, and we're very disappointed. We're hoping to contact Hobie, but their warranty is only 30 days. The warranty is only a year. If you find a problem within the year, you have to report the problem within 30 days. I don't know what the solution is going to be, but we're out of several thousands of dollars within probably 6-7 months of buying this kayak, inflatable kayak. And this kind of puts a damper on our vacation, on our trip, because this was going to be our main kind of activity, right? So we're going to have to halt that, figure out whether the second kayak has a hole. Luckily, it did not deflate during, out in the ocean or out in the lake, river, thank goodness, right? So I'll keep you guys posted what happens in terms of how Hobie deals with this, but I think it's going to be an uphill battle. What do you guys think? All right, if anybody has gone through the same thing, has owned an inflatable kayak from Hobie and ran into this issue, because the first kayak, the one we just found 3 holes, one was in the seam and there's the other one where the pedalless system is, where the screws are. That's where another hole is. So it appears to be something related to the actual seaming process. We don't know yet, so we're going to further investigate and hopefully somehow recoup our money, right? But if anybody's watching this and you have some experience with this or any other inflatable kayak and how you dealt with it, put that in the comment section and share with the viewers. I would also love to hear what you've gone through and what your solutions were. After the video, we started documenting where the leaks are coming from in both of the kayaks in order to provide evidence to Hobie, because the kayaks are still under warranty. They had it less than a year. Once you find any issues, you need to contact Hobie within the 30 days of finding any problems. You could actually hear the sound, the hissing sound. And where you see the bubbling, that's where the airs are coming out.